Hi, in this video, I'm just going to show you how to find whether these numbers they are surds or not. Okay, the question is that what are surds and what it is. Basically, if you look at it, question number one, for example, surds are very easy to explain. It looks very complicated, or what is surds? Actually, it's not that difficult. For example, if you can find out like square of, for the first question, it says square root of 9. Because we know that square root of 9 is 3, so we know exactly what it is. So it means this is not a surd. So square root of 9 is not a surd, right? But for square root of 10, we cannot mentally work it out, whether we need a calculator or we have to do quite a long calculation to work it out. So because this is not possible, so it is a surd, right? So this, okay, the third one, which is square root of 40, because we don't know what is square root of 40, so it is a surd. Why? Because we cannot work it out only within our head. We have to whether use the calculator or we have to do very long calculation to work it out, because for square root of 40 is not possible without a calculator easily. So that's why it is a surd. Now question number one, the next one, it says square root of 1. Okay, square root of 1, we know that square root of 1 is 1. So so it is not a surd. So now next question is cube root of 1. We know that cube root of 1 is like 1 time 1 time 1, which is again 1. So because it is possible and we can work it out, so it is so because it is 1 and it is possible, so it's not a surd. So now question number the next one, it says square cube root of 8. Okay, because cube root of 8, cube root, how we find out cube root? Cube root is like 2 times 2 times 2. We have to find a number. When you times the same number 3 times, we get 8. So if we times 2 3 times, we get 8. So because it is possible and we can work it out in our head, so it's easy to work it out. So it is so it is not a surd. Now if we talk about question number next one, which is 16, square root of 16, we know that square root of 16 is 4. So it is also not a surd, right? So this is not a surd. So remember, the first one was not it was not a surd because it was square root of 9 is 3. Similarly, we got 1, here square root of 1 is 1, so it is not a surd. So only two surds which we have got here, they are only two, which one is 10 and one is 40. Now I'm going to do the last one, where it says 27 square root, cube root. We know that cube root means we times the same number 3 times to work out. So we know that to get 27, we know that 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. So if we times 3 times we get 27, because it is possible, and we know that cube root of 27 is 3, so it is not a surd. So in all of these questions, there were only two questions which were surds. For example, it was number one, which was square root of 10 and square root of 40. So hope you understand it. So just again reminding you that if you can work out the square root straight away and you can get the final answer without using calculator, or it is so that will not be a surd. But if you can't do it in your head, that will be a surd. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed it yet, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching it. Thank you. Bye.